already begun. The locust was your sign. The famines of the people who die all over the world just because your stomachs are filled. How many have died of famine? The locusts eat up the food, laid their eggs. By the billions they flew. And unlike any other locust that you have ever seen, I warn you of the locusts in the book of Revelation. I warn you of the famine in the foreshadow. I warned you when Solomon was brought a child and the two mothers argued who did that child belong to because they were going to eat him that night. I repeated the same thing in the book of Revelation. Mothers shall eat their own children. What do you think it means when the mothers now, the so-called celebrities, now fry up the placenta and they brag about how it's so nutritious? And that was what supplied the food to the child? And they eat it? And now even doctors will offer it to the mother? Do you want your placenta so you can take it home to eat? Would you like it in a capsule form? You cannibals. I speak to the cannibals of this world. You know who you are. You know what you've done to the children. You know you vampires. You're no longer movies, are you? You put it in the movies first to prepare the people, and they think it's just a movie. And now when you prove it's even a reality of all of Hollywood, and I said, hell, Hollywood, you are doomed. Actors, you and actresses, you are doomed. So few of you will exist anymore. You are made straight from hell. You sold your souls for contracts for the fame and the fortune, so your names would be known. Hell wrote it down. They're expecting you. Now you're in shutdown. How many of you have got on your knees and repented? Oh, you think that you already have the cure? Oh, you have the answer. You're going to go hide in your lavish underground bunkers like Bill Gates has. Oh, I have news for you, Mr. Gates. And all you billionaires with them who had anything to do with what is coming. And you think you're going to depopulate Earth so you don't have to look at another human that was made in the Creator's image?